So guys, good morning. It's a little bit bloody earlier. The weather is so crappy, but this is a talk around this morning. So yeah, what's up my gents, my G's? I'm gonna make media that shit. Yeah, very dark still, very dark still. Hey, morning. What's up my G? Look at this guy, look at this guy. We here now, good morning everybody. What's happening, what's going on? Listen, and a little something special. A GR Yaris. Look at the fat brakes in this thing. What? That is insane. Like, look at that. Literally a rally car for the road. Let's go, bro. Wait. First, that's my jam over there. That's my jam. Sorry, my head's shaking. It's actually very cold this morning, hey? Look at the camera, boys. Just all out because the 458 pulled up. Nah. That's the same one from last time, by the way. Sounds so smooth, huh? Look at the setup, guy. Look at the setup, my guy. Hey.
Once you're out this doors, bro.
Is it? We gotta get the coffee. A lot of cars already came, and I did a skid. Okay, I always do a skid for the boys, but no one records, so it's fine. Stealth skids. Okay, so here we go, and that's the scene for this morning. It's now, I have no idea what the time is. I think it's like 7 o'clock, 10:07 maybe. And I see we parked way over there because we went for the gym and then parked over there. No, gym's open, but we left. Yeah. So anyway, so we bought the chow, and look here. Yeah. Look at all of this. Oh yeah. Nah, straight pipe. Yes, water. Also, guys, there's gonna be wind noise. I apologize. I don't have no mask and shit. The guys out, check the owens here away, bro. Look at the owens. So we'll check and see how it goes. So good morning. Yeah, we got Nasir today. And then check who's here, Mr. Greasy Monkey's here. How's it, my guy? And then he brought his car, which is something you don't always see. You see it on the channel, but yeah. And we got some matching goodness. What kind? What do you mean? It's not? Is it clean? Oh no, it's not. No, it's not all the way. Oh shit! The tactical response game. Oh no. Oh! Yo, this car really had to be rear wheel drive. This car had to be rear wheel drive. Dude. Like, I really think so.
Rear wheel drive prelude. Oh. I'm sorry, they don't make the perfect car.
Yeah, they don't.
They're not allowed. Maybe we must do that.
Yeah. Whoa!
Let's make it a Lexus V8.
Yo, bro, that's gonna be a real flat Lexus vehicle. Check here. Where's it gonna go? You're gonna have the monster of all wood scoops on here. And then we had this Lexus pull past me with no shit, the gold badges. Okay, this brass. But I don't think it's original. But it's good. It's good. Still looks sexy as balls, but in a nice green metallic color looking. Get my guy in here, just chilling. There are 32 years. Look at that scene again. Hey, watching this guy just do his stuff is just fascinating. But anyway, this is all the cars here on the side. I'm not gonna cinematics today. You can just relax and go watch Tristan's channel for cinematics and watch his channel for cinematics. 43, I think. Yep, 43. I'm spot on today with my car names. Got a Falali over this side. Check the Falali. Check it. Because, yeah. Literally a rose amongst the thorns, eh? Don't you think? Yeah, we're getting chased away today for sure. What? And look at this rarefied air over here. What the heck? Oh, look who came a lot about light. Look at that sexy car, man. The iconic motors just stabbing out hard. That's exactly how that car sounds. Can you look at it? Great white 86. One road pass. When we were parking, one road pass. Look at everybody just losing their shit over the Datsuns here. Hey, look at the boys losing their shit over the Datsuns. Check it. Check it. Look at that. It's so funny. It's not gonna be. Mr. Val as per usual. Oh, that was at least 20 bucks of petrol over there. At least. Perfect. Yes, sus. Good morning, my guy. What's up, brah? Lekker bro. And drizzling and holy shit sucks. Yeah, maybe everybody's here. Okay. All the YouTube. If there's no video today, then I don't know. And another GR Yaris too. In what? What is going on? What? Oh, okay, the number plate is kind of, yeah, the number plate kind of, yeah. What? And another GR, another customer GR actually. Not a press car. Hey, check it. Ah, look at that. Something nice, eh? Look at it. I want to actually get you guys to see. Look at all the, check the collective. Look at what, this is the funniest angle. Check it. Get the guys. Check out the rest of it. So, and then this big ass bus over here. Check how sexy this thing looks. So fat. And we got the V8 boys. Mr. Hava. Another V8, another SS Lumina. What do we call these here? Luminas? Actually just SS. Like what he did here, looks cool. Lexus from earlier. Oh. Check it. And we got my guy here shooting video. Look at that. Look at that, getting that shot, my guy. I don't know where that go. Oh wow, it's a last of the Mark 1s. 777, that's a really cool number though also. I'll find the sir. Let's just loaf her.
Sorry, you know where the run's going? No idea.
It's N1 Wellington and then N7.
Okay, thank you. And look at this guy getting the rolling shots to everybody. Some flex spots for the boys. Yes, auntie. That's how you do it. It's a Mustang. How you want this bro to slide in all of us, my bro? Let him do it straight first. Look. You hear it? That's not a 160. Is it? Absolutely nice! Yes, boy! Yes, my guy! Did it for the boys! Kia Cook TV, why you like bruh? Put it here! Why you like? I told this man on YouTube, and I'm like, where is this bruh? Doing it for the boys. Hello, Will! Hello, Will! Everyone, and that's it. I think I'm done with gym now. We have Mr. Greasy Buggy. Go follow their channel. Real good, like Honda content. You know, installing this. Like the salted car. Recent video you sprayed the rims. Recent video you sprayed the rims on there.
Oh yeah.
They were what? Black before? No, white with polish look. White with polish look. Looking real sexy. Pulled out the way because of burnouts. But yeah. And then I see it as well. So we got shots, bruh. We got shots. Everybody's gone. They went to Wellington, I think. And we were like, nah, it's cool. We're not gonna still worry about that. But yeah, Kia Coop guys came out and we had some drift cars, which were not drifting at all. So anyways, I'm out, guys. Thank you for watching. I am a little bit, like, the content's a bit slow, but please understand that things are, I was working every weekend or so. So now it's just like, yeah, check all the outros, check it. Double outroing, triple outroing. Guys, I'm out. Thank you for watching. Bye.